This is Sean from Be Your Own Nerd. I wanted to show you a really useful application that you can use in Windows. Windows is notorious for spying on you. And by spying on you, I mean with telemetry. It doesn't spy with you in regards to, example, capturing your keystrokes or your passwords or anything like that, or viewing your screen without you knowing. But it does do other things where it collects data from certain applications and the operating system itself. And it sends those statistics and data to Microsoft for an analysis by them. Some people are okay with this. Some people are not. And if you are one of the ones that are not okay with this, I'm going to show you how to turn this off. I'm going to walk you through how to download it and install it and set it up. So you go to oo-software.com. And on the main screen, you're going to go to Products. And under freeware, it's called O&O Shutup 10++. And don't let the name deceive you. You can use this with Windows 11 as well. Go ahead and click it. Go ahead and click the download button. And once it's finished downloading, you can go ahead and open it. And this is not an installer. So you can put this file wherever you want on your desktop in your documents folder, or you can leave it in your downloads folder. But it will not install a piece of software. The actual executable that it downloads from the website is the only file you need to run. So I'm going to go ahead and open the file. I'm going to hit yes. And here it is right here. And as you can see here, this is where it recommends what to turn on and off. So a good starting point is what I like to do is I like to go to Actions here at the very top. And I like to say, apply only recommended settings. It wants to create a system restore point. This is always a good idea because if something happens, and I haven't seen anything bad happen with this, but if something does happen, you want to be able to restore back to a previous point in time. So I'm going to create a restore point. And once that's finished, you can see how everything here is checked green. And this will disable Microsoft from being able to collect data on you. But there's also some other things you can also do here as well. If you scroll down here, if you don't want any apps to access your camera, you can turn that on as well. Or to access your microphone, you can also turn that on. So there's also other options here that you can go through yourself and configure any way that you want. One of the things I love to turn off is I love to turn off OneDrive because I don't use OneDrive. I've never been a fan of OneDrive. And I believe actually it's under local machine. So if you go to local machine, and if you scroll down, you can disable OneDrive. So right there, that will disable OneDrive from starting up on its own. But there's other things you can do here as well. You know, all sorts of things. So it's just a good idea just to go through them all and turn off the ones that you don't want and turn on the ones that you do want. And like I said, it's really useful. It's totally free, and it will protect you from Microsoft gathering any data on you. And once you're done, you just close the app, and it's going to have this little pop-up here. You can hit OK, and then your computer is going to want to restart. You can go ahead and hit the restart button, and once you restart, all those settings will take effect. Once again, the app is totally free. It's available from oo-software.com, and it's called Shutup 10++. And once again, it's also available for Windows 11. So don't let the name deceive you. Once again, this is Sean from Be Your Own Nerd. You can reach out to me at BeYourOwnNerd.com. I also have a free weekly tech newsletter that you can sign up for. Thank you so much for watching, and have yourself a great tech day.